All right, guys, welcome back. So this is all that remains of the original layout, and it's sitting in storage right now. I'm going to try to incorporate it into the new layout, but that's still a question mark. So there's the Bridgeport Harbor section that was saved, and then obviously the newer section that I put up also was saved. So hopefully I can repurpose the control panel, and then I got the yard panel sitting there. So why don't we head over to the new place, and I'll show you the new layout room. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, welcome back. So let's check out the new layout room. So we'll start here really quick. It's going to be my new workshop where I build all my kits and work on rolling stock. Here's the other side. Got some LED lights for it already. And this is going to be my new layout room. So hopefully it should be around 15 by 34 feet. And get another view here. All right. So the next update, I'll show you my workshop being constructed. So see you at the next update. Thanks for watching.